It's a lot. Here you go, Mom. I think your 2 Egyptian geese came here.
Good morning everyone. Today Jacques and I are going to Tala Game Reserve. There are buffalo, rhino, kudu, hippo, giraffe and rare sable antelope.
Wildebeest, zebras, warthogs, and the voracious anteaters.
So yeah, please enjoy our video.
Rhinos. Ah, the white egrets. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful.
So when we came through the gates of Tala, we went through to reception just to go see what's happening there. And there was a rhino that walked past us. That was probably about 40 meters away from us.
It was so cool.
And he just cruised along. Then we left reception and about 400 meters from reception there were 4 rhinos sitting close to the road, but they were the grass was very high, so you actually couldn't see them. So we couldn't take videos or photos or anything like that. So Jacques wants to be adventurous and cross this little flooding part, the Tala. And what concerns me is we've just had these major floods in KZN, so we don't know what the road, so let's see.
Let's go.
We have made it through. We just don't know what the rest of the road is going to be like. We're definitely not going that way. That's very muddy.
Yeah. Somehow I don't think we could through there.
No.
Trust in me. Trust? Who do you trust? Me.
I've trusted you since I made you walk across the water.
Trust in me.
And you got freezing cold.
It is. Look at the little bird.
And we're going to
Road.
Fisherman's Road.
Fisherman's Road. It's actually quite pretty.
These beautiful aloes. Love aloes.
Oh, this is pretty.
So right now we are driving up, what's this road called?
C2, whatever. Shabalala.
Shabalala Road. And it's quite a rough, tough road. Lots of ditches and mud and passed someone and asked how this road is, and they lifted the van up and down the tires to see what they thought of it, and they said no, it will be safe for us to go past.
I want to see this road first. Go van through its paces.
It's a good test.
It's a very good test, yeah. Especially going into Africa, we will definitely come across roads like this. It's not too bad. We are okay for now.
If the car in front of us can make it, we can definitely make it.
Yeah.
Because we have raised the suspension, so we can kind of make it through anything. Jacques did have his Land Rovers and he did 4x4ing, so...
Don't say that too loud, I'm not a professional.
He's not a professional, but he's done it before, so...
I know a little bit.
If I had to drive this, I don't know how I'd handle it. The he's doing very well. Doing very, very well.
I just want to see giraffe. Where's the giraffe? That's all. I want the giraffe.
Hunting for the giraffe. My favorite animal. My favorite wildlife animal.
Okay, it was not too bad. We're swinging there a bit.
Which means there must be more mud.
Yeah.
Good to have a car in front of us to see how they handle it.
See, let's always see if they get stuck. If they get stuck, then yeah, we know. We'll winch them out and then we turn around somewhere.
But a big mud puddle.
Got to low gear there and swing our way through here.
Easy peasy.
Good. So for you guys in America, if you see those little roads that you drive on, now imagine the roads that we drive on that you've just seen. Yeah. But all in all, it proves that yes, with the right equipment, the right vehicle structure, I think you can do it.
We'll take her out here.
Not too forward, these guys got to do it.
No, right here.
You go right. They're already gone. Alright.
Not a picnic site.
Wow. The other one.
I have to say that the map that they've got here is not the clearest map.
It gets a bit confusing.
It is confusing, but it's not labelled properly. So, yeah, you can't follow it in any way. I have never seen so many Egyptian geese in my life. They are absolutely everywhere.
Wow.
There are hundreds here.
There are. Hi everyone, and thank you very much for watching our first part of the trippy to Tala. Be sure to watch next week where we get stuck and we brush some meat. Catch you all later.